So World War II, apart from the horrific struggle and death, saw a huge number of innovations, all in the name of victory. One of the more unique and bizarre ones was building an aircraft carrier out of ice and sawdust. Named Project Habakkuk, it was put forward by Geoffrey Pike, who worked for the British Combined Operations Headquarters. It was supposed to be deployed in the mid-Atlantic and help Allies secure the convoy routes and deal with the U-boat threat. It was supposed to be a floating field of ice reinforced by wood pulp or sawdust named Pikecrete in honor of its initiator. There were even prototypes built and tested in Canada, and even though project was deemed feasible, eventually it was aborted due to the rising cost and a high demand of materials needed elsewhere.